how do you shorten a screenshot on a Capcut on the iPad? Let's talk about it. And if you are new here and first time on Foxtecc, well, definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, obviously, it depends on what you mean, but inside of the Capcut, we can edit videos as such, right? So obviously, we can start with a project and add some clips to it, but we can also add photos there, right? So if I click on plus, click on photos, and I will have the ability to just add the screenshots. It doesn't even have to be like a actual photo made from the camera. It can be the screenshot, and when we import it to the timeline, it's going to be in a set length, right? So this is how it kind of looks. So in order to adjust it so you can make it shorter or longer, you can grab either the left or right edge of the actual photo of the screenshot and make it longer, right? So that is basically how it would work. It's just a photo, so it's not like adding more frames to the video. You're just it's a still image, so you can make it as long or as short as you want. So that's basically how it works. And you wouldn't be able to do it with a video because in there you cannot really extend it. You cannot add all of the frames and the movement and stuff, but you can do it with the picture. So I hope that is the thing that you meant. If you had something completely else in mind when you look that up, then let me know about that below in the comments. I'll possibly make an updated video about it, but that's it from me for now, and I hope to get to see you later in the next videos as well.